Aloha kako. Just wanted to show this new screen bottom board box foundation that I made for my bees. These are sitting on 2 feet 2x4s. So we have a 1/8 inch mesh, wire mesh, for the bottom. Inside here we have one of those plastic drawers that you find on the side of the road. Yeah, and that's going to be filled with oil, mineral oil. Yeah, and then here's the puka for the bees to come inside. So here's the box, a deep hive box. Yeah, and just put that on top like that, and we got the cover. This hive over here, I didn't paint that bottom box, so I'm gonna move this whole hive on top of here. I'm a little bit wary that maybe I made this a little bit too tall, because once I have 3 boxes up here, I'm gonna be like up here, so that's probably not a good idea. Probably should have made it shorter. Yeah, so anyway, mahalo for watching. Aloha.